Hello guys. We noticed some people had issues installing the initial app we uploaded for logo design. So we have made some research and we've gotten some really good another app that is really good, and it's free, okay? That you can actually even get from Play Store, okay? So what I'm going to do is I'm going to send it to you, and I'm just going to show you a briefly. The process is the same as the one I showed in the other video, right? So I'm just going to run you through how to use this particular app, okay? It's very useful. So this is the app we're going to be using, this very one. So just in case you couldn't download the one I'll be sending to you, you click on this link, or you click on you go to Google Play Store, search for, or I'm going to send a link, okay? Just click on the link, then look for this logo, okay, to download the app. This is the logo here, okay? So look for this logo. All right, so when you open it, this is what comes up. So all you just need to do, this is going to be a really quick video, okay? You just need to figure it out and follow the other video to understand what happens. So when you click on this, it helps you to create a new logo, right? Or when you click on this, you see it shows you all the logos you have designed, right? So we're just going to quickly create a new logo. But this has a lot of ads, so I just have to take off this ad. When an ad like this come out, just click back, it's going to go up. So here are the knobs. Let's just quickly go through them. When you click on this, it shows you when you click on the first one, this, it shows you all the logos you can actually prepare your own logo with, right? So you just need to look for the one that fits the category of the thing you want to work on, right? So all these things are here for use, and the good thing about it is they are all free, right? They are all free, so you can just select any of them, okay? So we're just going to be very fast about this. So I'll just select any random one we could just work with. Let's assume that I want to select this. All right, so when you use this here, you can use it to adjust, okay? So you can also use your two fingers, right, to drag it up and down, okay? It's going to help you to zoom in and zoom out. So let's just quickly design a quick logo with this. So you adjust it to whichever size you want it to be. It's usually very recommended that it's as large as possible, so your people can actually see it clearly, even when you have zoomed it in a lot. Okay, now after this, the next thing we want to do is we want to select a background. Oh, sorry. The next thing is we want to select a background for this. You can choose to leave it transparent, okay? Just like I told you in the other video. If you choose to leave it transparent, if you click on background, you click on transparent. So when you click on transparent, this logo has now become a transparent logo, right? So whatever if you add any text or anything, wherever you uh, drop this logo, it's going to have a transparent background. So but for this one, I want to add a background. So these are various backgrounds you can actually add, okay? You can actually leave it with a white color if you want, okay? If you don't want to use any of these backgrounds, you can use a color, right? So you can just select any color. If you move this, all this way, you move this knob all the way to the end here, it turns the background to white. So but if you want a different color, say you want a red, you just have to move this one in this circle. Oh, sorry, excuse me. You just have to move this one to this circle, right, where the red color is, and then adjust. This is more like the opacity, like I thought in the other video, makes it somewhat light and transparent. So this is just that opacity I thought in the other video, this one. Okay, so you can just go ahead and select whichever color it is you want. Okay, and then you leave it, but this is not what I want. Okay, I want to select one of the solid backgrounds among these backgrounds that they have here. So I'm just going to select one from there. So very quickly, select this one that has looks like fire. This isn't bad. You can select whatever you want. Okay, I just turned this upside down. Okay, so this is okay. So what I want to do now is just add a text to it. It all depends on what you want. This is just for a quick tutorial purpose. Okay, so the next thing you want to do is you want to come to this place and add a text, this very place. Okay, so I'm just going to click on it. This place is wrote add text, so I'm just going to quickly write web text studios. All right, so I've written my text for my logo. So what I need to do right now is select this place, the root text settings. You can select a text from there. Yeah, so you just click on that text setting. So it helps you to select a font style. See here the root font style. You can actually put a background to your text, okay, if you want. So let's assume I want a black background for my text. All right, well, this is a gradient colors. Remember gradient colors, like I taught you in the other video. It helps you to select different colors, to just make your text look. So maybe I just want a black background for this. Okay, then reduce the opacity a little bit. Then I just click on OK in the middle. So I think I reduce the opacity too much. Let me just go ahead and increase the opacity. So I come back to text setting. All right, then I go to BG color, the first option here. So I just leave. No, I made a mistake. This is not what I wanted to do. So back to BG. You just wanna okay. It was a plain color I wanted, yeah. So I'll leave it this way. So I can just come here and change my font style. I just come here and change my font style. So I just select the fonts that I want to be in my. You can select this. That doesn't look too cool. Just select whichever fonts that you want. Okay. Remember, this is just for tutorial purposes, right? So here you can add a gradient kind of background. So when you come to this part, you select the first color, or you select the first color here from this one up here, right? Then you come here, you select the second color. You see what happens down there? It gives you the kind of color mix, right? So let's assume this is what I want. Just click on done. But of course, this won't show in this background. So maybe what I want to do is just change the background here. So I'm just going to click on backgrounds and look for a different background. Okay, now this doesn't look bad. Doesn't look bad at all. So you see now that my text actually fits in. It all depends on what you want. Okay, what another thing I want to do is I'll just edit this text. I'll edit the text that I've just written. So when I come to text, text setting, I want to, okay, what I can do is I just want to bring this studio down. I didn't want this video to be long though, so but it's fine. So for tutorial purposes though, what I wanted to do was bring studio down, but I think I made a mistake by not, so going back again means I have to do it all over again, and I don't want to do that. So it's fine this way. So what I want to do is I'll just add my tagline. It's very important to add your tagline. So what you can do is just click on add text. So what tech so remember what I said about you know, selecting a tagline. It has to be something that will target the emotions of your prospects and clients. So for tutorial purposes, please clean graphics. All right, so this is my tagline. Remember, you can adjust this whichever way you want it to be. It has to be a bit big. Adjust your text size, right, and place it wherever you want it to be. All right, then make it align. Help it to be straight. All right, then put in your, so for this my tagline, I think I'd want the color to be somewhere around white. So I've just dragged it to white, and this looks cool here. So I think this logo is really fine. It's really fine. So yeah, another thing I can do is, let me just web text studios, let me just do what I wanted with the web text studios, and I'll get rid of the other one. Then see what I wanted to do, I'll enter and put the studios down. Okay, because I discovered that one is just too, is rather too big, right? So what I'll do now is I'll now customize this text, you know, to what I want it to be. So I'll just come to font style, select the font style that I want. So let's assume this is the font style that I want for this, right? Then I'll just come and to the colors, I'll double click on it. If you double click on it, then you can change the gradient just like we did in the other video, right? So you select the color you want for the, all right, remember you have to leave it in gradient colors, right? Okay, so I think this is fine. You just click on done. So this is it. So I'm just going to get rid of this one. So this is what I actually wanted to do. You see, this is really fine, right? So all you just need to do is to be creative. Okay, yeah, so this is fine. Web text studios, and this is my tagline, right, or my motto, just like I thought in the other video, right? So this is okay, this is fine for for tutorial purposes, right? So when you're done with your logo, all you need to do is just click on save. You click on save here, right? So I just go ahead and save my logo. I believe by now you understand how to use this. You just play around it and come up with something really nice. So the picture have been saved successfully. So I can just go to my gallery, and there is my logo that I've just designed. This looks beautiful, doesn't it? So this app is really fine. It's really beautiful. So you can use this, and you can find it on the Google Play Store. I'm sending the link to you now. So have a blessed morning. Okay, until I see you later in the day. All right. Thank you.